Director General of Police ka Meghalaya Dr. Lajaram Bisnoy ulapente baha ka jingïakhun banrat din khong yo drok sapo ka jala Meghalaya kilayo bankam kala ya ngut ki pulit langrut ki balakerni hauniu jingdi basniu lembat yu wei usipai barim habakran sikilat thai kubor Dr. Bisnoy lai thu ba ka jingmamla bante alakam yo drok haki chaka badon khaput kadai namar ka jingmam byang jingki bru ki bapa hara haki khaput.
One person was arrested who was having the army background, but he is no more in the army. You can say ex-army. Only one person came to our notice, and others like paramilitary, etc. So far, out of arrested persons, and mostly they are not in the jobs. But we have arrested a few of our own constables who are mainly drug addicts. So once they become drug addicts means that they started establishing the close nexus with suppliers also, otherwise from where they will get their supply. I think total 4 constables were arrested so far. I think 4, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So those kind of sensitizations at our own level by qualified counselor in every police district and every police battalion are continuing, and it's yielding results. Problem is such that you can't expect result overnight, because once anyone becomes drug addict, then his body is not under his control. So we cannot blame that whatever he is doing willingly or voluntarily, because he is not in normal senses. So from that humanistic approach also we are adopting, and we are trying to organize some counseling session by the experts, and many drug de-addiction centers I have personally visited. I have interacted with youth, and I felt extremely pity for their family members, because the way the families are suffering, I can't explain in words. Complete supply police is not able to stop it completely because of the certain reasons. The first reason is that our border deployment is comparatively inadequate, not as per our expectations. So, lot of porous border is there. So, sometimes drug traffickers, they don't take the main highway or main route. They can go through the other routes also. So, this is one. And secondly, the involvement, the network is so wide and so huge and so large that even if we arrest 1 or 2 of that networks, all other members immediately alerted, and they change their modus operandi immediately. So whatever we expect that they may use this, but they may use different, because once one member of network is arrested, immediately modus operandi is changed. Because of this, and then lucrative, it generates huge amount of money. So basically, greed overpower the youth, and even at the risk of the jail, generally they indulge in all this.